Hello, welcome again. I'm going to make a little short video. Today we're planning to have chicken tenders, cooked cabbage, and roasted asparagus. So I'm getting ready to start my cabbage, and I thought there was some people that had asked how I cook mine. So I wanted to share with everyone how I did it. So if you'll wait 1 second, I want to go get my water to pour in the pot, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, I start with pouring some water in the bottom of the kettle. Not a whole lot. I have about 3/4 of an inch covering the bottom. And the reason I do that is I don't want my cabbage to be totally immersed in broth. I want it to kind of steam. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on so it can start getting warm. I've already got my cabbage cut up and I've got my onion cut up, but I want you to see the process of how I do this. I do one layer at a time. That way the flavor is throughout and everything is just distributed evenly. Distributed evenly. Got to forgive this hillbilly sometimes. I'm telling you, my English isn't all that proper sometimes, but that's okay. We're going to get there. All right. And then I put a little bit of onion on top of that. I'm using one large onion and one large head of cabbage. And this will serve us about 3 days. Now I'm putting in 2 packets of stevia. Everybody's saying stevia and cabbage. Yes, ma'am. This and sir, this cuts down on the bitterness in the cabbage and makes it just a little bit sweet. I used to use sugar, but now I use stevia, and you cannot tell the difference. And then I also layer this, salt this layer, and pepper this layer. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and make another layer. And more onion on that. A little salt. And a little pepper. And 2 more packets of stevia. Now, I actually use 6 packets of stevia for a large head of cabbage. You guys, please go slow and add whatever it is that you like in yours. Start with less and add more. So it's just better for me. I have actually tried this many times, and six packets on a large head seems to work just perfect for us. And more onion. A little salt. And a little pepper. And then your last layer of cabbage. Rest of the onion. And my last 2 packets of stevia. A little more salt on that layer. A little more pepper. And there you have it. Now, I'm going to let this simmer. It's best to cook cabbage low and slow than it is a hard boil, so that's why I like to steam mine. It actually keeps the color nice, and it helps it get really tender, and it tastes better when you cook it low and slow. So I'm going to, since it's already boiling, I can hear it boiling, I'm going to turn it down to about 3 and let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. I will show you the finished product when I do my evening video when I'm cooking the asparagus and the chicken. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope this helps someone who is wondering how I do my cabbage so that you can eat healthy too. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you later whenever we do our next video.